Thank you. Hey, welcome to Backlash TV. We're down here in Aquila, Texas on the Brazos River here. I'm doing a little kayak fishing for you today. We're gonna do something cool. We're gonna do a top water fishing challenge. So what we're gonna try to do is do 5 fish. So first 1 to 5 wins and you get bragging rights. And if we don't know what the heck we're doing, we can't catch fish, we'll change it. Maybe we'll do 3, maybe we'll just be the first one to catch one. We don't know. But thanks for joining us. Hope you like it. Get this thing rolling. Freaking a minute. Ain't gonna catch nothing.
First bait I'll be using today is the Googan Squad Blooper. It's a topwater popper.
Okay, I just saw a fish jump out somewhere over here, so let's just give it a shot. I just turned this thing off, but I was like, I'm gonna be PO'd. It's the first time I get hit. I don't have a stupid thing on. All right, uno mas, and then I'm moving. I see he was right in there. He gone.
Sean's back there using that big old Whopper Plopper. Thing's borderline obnoxious. I think I'm gonna have him in this challenge. This popper that I'm using is the sexy shad color. And Texas bass in the fall love chasing shad.
All right, this looks like a spot where I can at least freaking try this frog, see what happens. I saw some fish swimming over here, but they looked a little small. I don't know if they're gonna be able to get this thing or not, but give it a whirl. Oh shoot. Ain't gonna be no fish up there. There we go.
All right, I just had a hit. Of course I wasn't recording. I'm talking kind of quiet because I don't want Sean to hear me.
Freaking slow. How many you got?
How many fish?
Yeah.
None.
Oh, that's funny. I got 3.
This one sucked in the inflatable boat.
Yeah.
Now you know why I never wanted to do it.
So, we used to have this inflatable 2-person, I don't know, rowboat, and I guess is how you put it. And, that cost $100, and we were nervous when we bought the stupid thing. It was $50 a pop. We're like, oh man, this is a waste of money. Is it not? It's probably the best $50 I've ever spent. Now it was slow as molasses, but it worked. I don't think we'd be doing this if it weren't for that boat, because now we know that was a good investment. So spending $800 on a couple kayaks, worth it. It might be worth trying to paddle now. What do you think? Yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, we'll be back. All right, this is where we kind of started our fishing down here a long time ago. This is where we usually catch something. It's usually a little bit further down, but had a little bit of a head start on them, so thought it'd be worth trying to throw before we got over here. Try to give this another couple yeets. Man, it does look good though. Hey, don't bother coming over here. There's no fish. You should try going the other direction. Okay. You're gonna scare the fish away, you freak. Move, jerk. All right, we're kind of to our spot. Oh, dang. We've already seen a couple jump out the water. So, well, maybe there's hope. All right, time to do a stand and eat. A little bit too oh, that'd be good. Give this one more. Just hoping that doesn't scare him off. You know what? Give him a couple more. I'll go grab that frog. I bet you that'll work.
Oh, I had a bite. Well, now you know why we're called Backlash TV. What the hell is that?
Here we go. Oh, did I get effed up? Oh my gosh. The heck? Probably. Is it the only way this is gonna get all tangled out? Now, how am I getting this out? Okay, let's see. There we go. I need to get this back out there. Because that felt right. Ah, tits. Okay. Well, his back is turned. Let's go. Oh, man. Okay, still had a whole lot of nothing. I'll just try casting in the shade a little bit. Just see, I'm not sure how deep it really is over there, but I mean, about as good a chance as anything right now. Right under that. Should be a good. Oh, that was good. Oh, I just saw something jump out of the water over there. Let's try casting that way. Let's just see. Sure what else to try. So I could do like a worm or something. I've never had any success on a worm though. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm on. There it is. There it is. First one to the W right there. Oh, he looks like he's been caught before. Oh, what the heck? Oh, he got this thing hard. Oh, dang, dude. Can I have this thing back? Is that gonna be okay with you? Dang, homie. Dude, you need to slow your roll, playa. Let's get these grabbers. Let's get in there. Oh, stop. Steve. Okay. Well, that was right in the top of the mouth. Perfect. Oh, heck yeah. Here, come here, buddy. You got teeth? A little bit, not too bad. Just let go. Oh yeah, he's been hit. Look at that, right under the lip. That's not a bad little fish. Look at that. All right, buddy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get y'all a good release or not, but that's all right. I'm gonna catch another one. I feel it.
Sean just got one, so I'm gonna have to pick up my game here. I can't come out here and blank. It's a small bass. Caught him on the little Googan Squad Zinger. Just a small little Brazos River bass right there. And he shook himself off the hook. Brazos River bass right there. Maybe a half a pound.
Hey, that just about does it. We've been out here for around 5 hours. Got to make it quick. The Lake Whitney Dam is just kind of upriver that way, and the current kind of picked up, so we have a feeling that they may have opened it, so it's going to push us downriver, which is kind of where the truck is anyway. But Zach and I were kind of talking. I caught one. Apparently he got one. I don't believe him, but we're going to see here in a little bit though. Kind of thinking, man, for a first video, not a very strong outing, but you know what? It just comes with the sport. Sometimes you're out here and you catch nothing, 2 fish, 3 fish. Sometimes you catch 20 or 30, but said, you know what, it comes with the sport. We're just going to keep it real with you, but give you a little footage. It's beautiful. We'll just see you guys back at the drop zone. Peace.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching Backlash TV. We were out here fishing the Brazos River today. They opened the dam about 5 miles up river from us, so current started kind of getting out of hand, but we still had a good day. We each caught a fish. If you like what you saw today, just click that subscribe button down below, leave a comment. We plan on uploading a few videos a week. If you want to, you can click on that little notification bell. That way you get notified each time we upload. Thanks again for watching. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Peace.